What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Happy Wednesday. I want you to get excited. I want you to get hyped, guys, because tonight's video is dedicated to showing you exactly how one member, her name is Amanda, she was able to make $18,000 in this business opportunity that I've been trying to introduce you to, called Cash Building Systems Unlimited, and how she was able to do that in 4 months. Okay, 4 months, guys. And what we're going to do, guys, we're going to look at her video. I'm not going to play it because the audio is not going to come across clearly like I'm talking in my mic. You can hear me clearly, but it's not going to play clearly. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to scroll through it. And what she's doing, guys, in the video, I'm going to leave the link below this video, guys. If you want to go to watch her full video, I'm going to leave her link below this video so you go check it out. What could $18,000 do for you in 1 month? Would that be life-changing income? Man, that'd be life-changing income for anybody. I don't think most people make $18,000 a month. I only make $18,000 per month on my full-time job. Only people that are probably making $18,000 a month are CEOs, EVPs, vice presidents of the company. You know, people that are up in chain of command. But the people that are below, we're not making $18,000 a month. And that's why I chose to lock myself and to partner myself with a program that can help me to make income just like this. And Cash Building System has those types of levels that people come in on, guys, that where you can make $18,000 in 1 month. Now, in the video, guys, she do go through and show you exactly how she was able to do that. She showed you exactly the system that she is using, and the same exact system that I am using. If you go through my videos, guys, I'm showing you that I'm using a system called Cash Building Systems Unlimited. That's the business I'm partnered with, but I'm using a system called My Capture Page. Okay, this system is powerful, guys. To do all the selling and telling for me, even while I'm awake, while I'm on vacation, while I'm asleep. My business is making sales for me. And in her video, guys, she show you exactly how to set it up, what she do on a daily basis to build this business opportunity. So without further ado, guys, let's get in the video. I'm just going to scroll through it. Okay, and we're just going to go through some certain points that I want you to see. To see her deposits, just click on the link below my YouTube video. Okay, right here. Just like I was saying, guys, she is showcasing and showing you exactly what you need to do to make big time commissions with Cash Building Systems Unlimited. She's using a system called mycapturepage.com, the same system that I am using myself. As you can see right here, guys, this is the back office of mycapturepage.com. This is my system right here. These are the capture pages. mycapturepage.com has been around for a long time, guys. They partner with business opportunities. What I love about mycapturepage.com is that you don't have to create anything. Everything is already created for you. Your capture page, your email campaign. So the only thing that you're doing is driving traffic to your business opportunity. And My Capture Page does all the selling, telling for you, and directing them to your main business opportunity. And that's exactly what Amanda was doing, guys. She was just driving traffic to her sales funnel, and showing you exactly how to brand yourself in the business so people can connect with you. As you can see, I do the same exact thing on my, this is my sales page right here. As you can see, I got my picture right here. So I'm just kind of branding myself. I have my contact information, my phone number, my email address. They can connect with me on Facebook. They can also connect with me on YouTube if they click here. Many ways that you can connect with me, let you know that I am a real person. So that's exactly what she was doing in this video, is showing you exactly how she used My Capture Page that helped her to make $18,000 in 1 month. If you look at my previous video, guys, I was showcasing other members that was making money in Cash Building Systems Unlimited. But to make $18,000 in 1 month, man, she was grinding. She was putting in the work and the time. And if you go through her channel, you can see she do showcase and show you exactly how she was able to make that money and take her family on vacation. So, guys, if you're looking to have more time and more freedom, I think this is a simple opportunity that you can partner yourself with if you put in the time and the effort to build your business opportunity. Now, it is going to take work, guys. You just can't join a business and expect to make $18,000 in 1 month and you ain't did anything. You ain't posting no videos. You ain't posting no ads. You haven't sent no paid traffic. You ain't mailed out your postcards. You ain't done nothing. So if you do nothing, guess what? You get nothing. But if you start gradually driving traffic to your sales funnel online, mailing out your postcards that I show you exactly on my channel on a daily basis, the 4x6 company postcard, also my jumbo postcard, Amanda tells you that too, that I have that link to my sales page. So when I'm mailing out my jumbo postcard, they go to my sales page. My system picks it up and do all the selling and telling for me, which is a plus. So let's scroll through. Let's see what else we can find. All right, so right there. So she is showcasing, just like I just showed you in the back office, all the different benefits that my capture page has to offer. And once you have a system, a sales funnel that do all the selling and telling for you guys, all you have to focus on is getting traffic to your business opportunity on a daily basis. Just like you see us doing. You know, I'm posting YouTube shorts. I make long content on videos for you to see exactly how I build the business on a daily basis. Guess what? $18,000 a month, guys, you could pay off some credit card debt. You can take that exotic vacation. You can pay off, you might even pay off your auto loan. Okay? $18,000 can help a lot of people out. But I wanted to feature her video to show you that it can happen if you put in the work. If you put your mind to it, set your mind to it, guys, it can happen for you in 2025 and beyond. And that's exactly what I'm doing, guys. This is like one of my main business I'm going to be promoting for 2025. Okay, and if you want to get on board, you want to lock in for 2025, anybody can mail out a postcard, a simple postcard. All right, this is what the postcard look for, guys. I showcase it every night. All right, simple postcard just like this. All right, so on the back of the postcard, it does all the selling and telling for you. All right, we show you exactly where to get all the pill and stick labels to mail of seekers that are looking to want to build a business from home. And then, you know, I got my 6x9 jumbo postcard. This is the postcard that I use to drive traffic to my sales funnel. All right, so my sales funnel and my capture page. So this is exactly what she's teaching you how to do. This is the back office right there. All right, let's go through it. All right, right here. She's also showing you all the capture pages that my capture page has to offer. Same thing, guys, right here. These are all the capture pages right here. Same thing right here. And the best part is, guys, you only pay $19.95 per month. All right, $19.95 per month to make $18,000 in 1 month. Hey, that's a no-brainer right there. I'll do that all day. $20 a month, and I made $18,000 in 1 month. Hey, that's a no-brainer right there, guys. So this system does all the selling and telling for us. If you want to go check out her video, guys, the video link is below this video. If you're ready to sign up and get started, guys, my information is below. You can contact me if you have any concerns, any questions. Hey, $18,000 can change your life like it changed Amanda's life. All right, until the next video, guys, I'll see you. Peace.